Hello everyone. So today I'm going to implement collecting these items into my inventory. So now my inventory is empty. So if I go to this fruit plant and collect fruit, now I have one fruit item in the inventory. If I go here, now I have two. So if I collect some more, now I have three slots filled with fruit. Okay, now let's go to my sleeping bed and let's sleep. So the game will be saved. Right now if I exit the game and if I play the game again, yeah, now we have these three items in the inventory which I collected before. So if I consume this fruit, it will increase the food level by zero point 0.2. You can see the reference here. So yeah, let's see how to do those things today. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for your support. Alright, now uh, now that we have this inventory system in place, so previously what I did was when I go to this fruit tree, when I press C, I can eat it. But oh, this should be disabled. Right, but back then I didn't have an inventory system. So now now that I have an inventory system, I think I should have another option to collect these fruits. Or maybe we don't really need to directly eat, just collect would be good enough. Right, now let's take a look at the way we implemented this action. So this is basically an interactable object. Here we have an action and also we have some of the functions such as like this start interaction. So basically this is what it does. So at the moment what it does is it adds point 0.3 positive 0.3 to the hunger level, which means it increases the hunger level, food level. This hunger is actually, I think I should change it to another name, because when I said hunger, when hunger increases it, that means I should eat more. So but it's not like that here. When hunger level is 1, that means I am full. Okay. Right, now here I have this get action. So my action is eat fruit. I'll change it to collect fruit, or let's just call it tomato, because this kind of looks like tomatoes even though they are not. So let's just assume these are tomatoes. Oh no, let's just keep it fruit. That's not important anyway. And here, instead of updating character properties, right, we have this get inventory and we can add to the inventory. So how do we do that? Well, we have the inventory blueprint here. It doesn't really have any of the interfaces, but we can access the inventory. No, that's not a good way. So right here let's add a function add to inventory, and here as the input it should give an item. Oh, what's the item type? Let's see. Resource data, sorry, not item, resource data. Let's call it inventory item. Okay, now let's implement this function in the third person character. Oh, let's also have another parameter like a boolean, so that we can return true if we have collected it. So this we might need this in cases like let's say if we have the full, if the inventory is full, then this when we try to collect we should have something like inventory full, or this fruits on the plant should not vanish, they should remain there, something like that happen. So we might need it. Okay, so now in the character let's implement that function add to inventory. So get the inventory, get items, add whatever we get through here, and return true, because at the moment I am not worried about getting the inventory being full or anything, filled or anything. Right, now in the fruit plant, so I'm gonna disconnect this, and in the character add to inventory. So as the inventory item, let's promote this to a variable. Oh no, let's make resource data. All right, so resource name fruit, description fruit increases food level by 0.2. Yeah, that's all. And delta food 0.2. consume sound, I'm going to use byte sound. And as the icon, so actually I imported this one, so I'm going to use it. Okay, and if this is true, I'm gonna do this also, yeah, also we need to set collisions disabled so that we can't collect fruits again. And yeah, so we will not have the collect fruit notification anymore if I again come back to this tree. Alright, shall we test? Okay, now we don't have anything in my inventory. Let's go here, collect fruit, press E. Fruit has been collected. Let's go to the inventory. Wow, I have one fruit item. Let's go here, collect fruit. I have two. Let's go here, collect three. I didn't collect yet. Okay, now I'm collected. Wow, I have three fruits items. So right, now let's go here and sleep, so the game will be saved. Okay, game saved. Now let's exit the game and play again. Alright, now I have fruit and my inventory. Okay, so this is basically what I wanted to do. Let's consume one of the fruits so my food level will go up. Let's consume another. Okay, and oh sorry, I haven't properly implemented sleeping yet. Consume one, consume another. Right, now press E again so that I can sleep to save the game again. So when I exit the game and start again, I should have only one fruit item like this. Okay, let's drop it. Right, so that's what I wanted to do in this episode. And yeah, so yeah, in the future I want to implement stuff like we can kill animals, and by after killing we should be able to gather meat from those animals. Some other stuff like usual survival stuff too. So yeah, okay, so thanks for watching. So if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And as always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. So thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.